Very good morning to students. So in the value education we have completed 3 chapters. So now we'll start with the 4th chapter. Okay, and first page of the 4th chapter we'll do it today. Okay, topic is living well. Say what's on your mind, say what you feel. Saying how you feel is very important when you live in family. Unless you tell others what you want or how you feel, how will they know? So it's to tell about what you feel, what's going in your mind. Okay, what is there in your mind, what you feel. So we have to tell to our parents, friends, mother, grandfather, grandmother, whoever in our family. If we'll not tell them what is what is our problem, what we are feeling, so how will they come to know, right? So it's very necessary to tell what is there in your life to your parents. Okay, your mother sees that you are being very quiet and wonders why. You tell her, I am so sad today, mother, my friend is sick, she didn't come to school today. Now mother knows why you have been quiet and sad, so she will try and comfort you. Your mother sees that you are very quiet and wonder, सोचती है तुम्हारी मदर कि तुम इतना चुप क्यों हो. ठीक है, शी वंडर्स यू. फिर उसको तुम बताते हो क्योंकि तुम इतने चुप इसलिए हो, सैड क्यों हो, क्योंकि तुम्हारी फ्रेंड बीमार है और आज वो स्कूल नहीं आई थी. तो देन आफ्टर टेलिंग योर प्रॉब्लम, मदर विल comfort you and she'll come to know that why you were so quiet. So words are very important in helping us speak. We can say that we want or don't want without being rude to others. We can tell them how we feel or don't feel. जो वर्ड्स जो होते हैं बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं जो हम यूज़ करते हैं बोलने के लिए. सो वी कैन से दैट, हम ये बोल सकते हैं व्हाट वी वांट, वी डोंट वांट, व्हाट वी वांट, हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें क्या नहीं चाहिए, विदाउट बीइंग रूड्स टू अदर. हमें रूड नहीं होना है दूसरे से. और वी कैन टेल देम हाउ वी फील, हम क्या फील करते हैं, क्या फील नहीं करते हैं, राइट. So we should, what we have learned in this part, we have learned that whatever the things are there, we should share with our parents, so they'll know what is there, what is the problem. So they'll comfort you and they'll try to solve your problem. Okay, you must speak up if you wants others to know what you need or want. What to tell people about your ideas and feelings. You should tell about people about your feelings and ideas, right? And you should tell people what you want and what you need. Want to set things right without making people upset. You should do things right जिससे लोग upset ना हो. Want to stop something that is wrong. You should stop, or we want to stop something which is not good, which is wrong. Okay, to speak up you must not get angry or cry. You should not get angry or you should not cry. Talk in clear voice. Your voice should be clear. Stand straight and look directly at other person. When you are speaking to other person, you should look directly to him or her. Okay, and your voice should be clear. You should not get angry, you should not cry. Okay, so this was the first part, and in the next class, next video, we'll see the next topic. Okay, thank you.